Hello everyone, today we are going to find even or odd numbers from 1 to n using for loop, while loop and do while loop. So before that, first subscribe my channel. Now our first program is using for loop. Now you have to declare int n and I semicolon, then you have to input value of n. So here you display enter value of n and then write semicolon. Now input c in and semicolon. Now here you write for loop which is starting from I is equal to 1 semicolon I less than is equal to n semicolon I plus plus. Now in curly brackets you will display cout I and line. Here it will display value of I. Now if you want to find even numbers, first you display cout even numbers from 1 to n semicolon. Now here you insert for loop because even numbers starting from 2, so here you write I is equal to initialization and in the condition I less than is equal to n semicolon and then I plus plus, and in the curly brackets you will write cout I less than insertion operator and then and line semicolon. Here it will display all even numbers. Now again you have to find odd numbers, then you write cout odd numbers from 1 to n semicolon, and now use for loop because odd numbers start from 1. Here you write I is equal to 1 semicolon I less than is equal to n semicolon I is equal to I plus 2. Sorry, we have to use here I plus 2. I is equal to I plus 2. Now in the curly brackets you will write cout insertion operator I, again insertion operator and then and line semicolon. Now here you write get character function semicolon and then return 0 semicolon. Now compile it. So here you can see no errors occur. Now run it. So here enter value of n. So I am giving value of n 10. So here you can see its value is 1 2 3 4 10. Even numbers 1 to n are 2 4 6 8 10 and odd numbers are 1 3 5 7 and 9. So now we see it's working. For example, when value of I is equal to 2, it will check condition I less than is equal to n. For example, when I is equal to 2, condition is 2 less than is equal to 10, which is true, then 2 will print. When next iteration increment I plus 2, it means I value is 2, 2 plus 2 4. So 4 less than is equal to 10, then 4 will print. In the next iteration 2 increment, then 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So condition is 6 less than is equal to 10, then 6 will be print. And next iteration 6 plus 2 8, then 8 print. Next iteration 10, then 10 will print. Similarly for odd numbers which is starting from 1, condition will check 1 less than is equal to 10, which is true, so 1 will print. And increment is I is equal to I plus 2, so here value of I is now 3. So 3 less than is equal to 10, 3 will print. Similarly for the next iteration 5 and 7 and up to so on 9, it will display all odd numbers 9 to up to so on 11 13 15 if our condition is more. So our next program is using while loop. So similarly case, you have to declare int n comma I semicolon, then you have to input value of n, cout, enter value of n semicolon, cin, and then n semicolon. Now you have to input n. Now use while loop. First initialize I is equal to 1 semicolon, then use while loop. In while loop, write condition I less than is equal to n, curly brackets. Here you write cout I, insertion operator, and then and line semicolon. Here you increment value of I plus plus semicolon. Now you have to find even numbers, so you write cout in double quotes, write even numbers from 1 to n semicolon, and use for loop, while loop. Initialize I is equal to 2 semicolon, and then use while loop, while, and here you write condition I less than is equal to n, and in curly brackets write cout I, then and line semicolon. This is for even numbers. Now for odd numbers, you write cout in double quotes, write odd numbers from 1 to n semicolon, use while initialize I is equal to 1 semicolon, while loop, I less than is equal to n, and in the curly brackets you write cout I, insertion operator, and then and line semicolon. Here you increment I is equal to I plus 2 semicolon. Here you also increment, because I forgot it, I is equal to I plus 2 semicolon, and in the end you write get character, get ch function semicolon, then return 0 semicolon. Now compile it. So here you can see no errors occur. Now run it. So I am giving value of n, which is 10. So here you can see even numbers from 1 to n, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and odd numbers from 1 to n, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So you can perform its working similar to previous program. So our last program is for do while loop. So in this case you have to declare int n comma I semicolon, then you have to input value of n, cout double quotes, write enter value of n, and then insert semicolon, cin extraction operator, and then n semicolon. Now you have to initialize value of I is equal to 1 semicolon, then write do keyword and put curly brackets cout I, insertion operator, n and line. It will give value of I semicolon. Here you increment I plus plus semicolon, and below that you will write condition while I less than is equal to n. If you want to find even numbers, so here you write cout in double quotes even numbers from 1 to n semicolon, and you will initialize value of I from 2, I is equal to 2 semicolon, then use keyword do curly brackets and in curly brackets you will show cout I and line semicolon, and here you increment value of I is equal to I plus 2 semicolon, because it will always increment value of I from 2. So similarly for odd numbers you will display cout, you have to write condition here while I less than is equal to n. Now here you write cout odd numbers from 1 to n semicolon. For odd number you will initialize I is equal to 1 semicolon, use keyword do, in the curly brackets you write cout I suction operator and then end line semicolon. Here you increment its value I is equal to I plus 2 semicolon, and below that you will write condition while I less than is equal to n, and then you will write get character function, then return 0 semicolon. Now compile it. So here you see no errors occur. Now run it. So here you enter value of n. So I am inputting here value of n, which is 10. So here you can see even numbers from 1 to n are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So that's it from this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you want to ask any questions regarding this video, ask in comment section. Thank you so much.